Hello everyone, I'm here again today to present you a new activity. This time we are going to read a new book. The book is called Flat Stanley and he is an American character who undergoes several adventures and they are really amazing ones. So we will start having an activity together during a video lesson, so I'm not going to explain it to you now. After having done that, what you will do is read the book. Here there is a video where an American lady reads the book, so you can choose. Either you read the book by yourselves or you listen to the book being read. If you want to read it by yourself, here is the book, okay? So you read, you watch the photos, the images here, and after you have read it, you're going to work in small groups. Of course, you're going to work from home, not from school, but you'll be divided in groups. And a group will work on the characters, a group will work on the actions and the stories, another group will work on times, and another group will work on the places where the adventures take place. So we have group number 1, and here you will work on these Google Maps. You click here and you will see this map. So what you can do is you can add the characters. For example, I wrote Flat Stanley here, then Mr. Lambjob and Arthur. But what you can do is also add other characters from the story and descriptions of the characters. For example, Mr. Lambjob, he is, and then you say something, you write something about his physical appearance and his personality. Then, group number 2 will work on places where things happen. And again, you have a Google map where you can add places. For example, there is the park, there's a museum, Stanley's house, and there are also other places for you to click and add. For example, the museum, and here you write what happens in the museum. Then we have group number 3, times when things happen, another Google map, and here you have morning, afternoon, then you have evening down here, and then you have night. For example, at night, a bulletin board fell on Stanley. That's the reason why it became flat, okay? And the last group, group number 4, will work on activities and adventures. Always in a Google map. And what you have, you start from the main story, Stanley is flat, and you can add here some things that happened to him, the reason why he became flat. Then you have some sub-stories, so stories within a story. The one of the ring, the one at the museum, the one in the park with the kite, and the one about holidays. In all these stories, sub-stories, you have to add the activities that Stanley and his friends do. But there's also a surprise. So here, the last activity is a contest. It's your turn to write a Flat Stanley adventure. And after you have written it, you post your story in this Padlet. Keep in mind that there will be prizes for the 3 best stories and adventures. So, read, enjoy reading, and then start writing, and it's a kind of a challenge, but I'm sure you will do it really, really very well. And good luck, everybody. So, see you at school tomorrow.